Now application of rationalization of the surds, that is find the values of a and b if root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 equals to a minus b root 6. If this identity or equation is correct, then what are the possible values of a and b to satisfy this equation? Question is, first of all, in the left hand side we have this term, its rationalization I can do. How we can rationalize? Same way, by taking the conjugate. This is root 2 plus root 3 upon 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. By changing this sign, I can write 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 upon 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. That is the conjugate. And in the right hand side, it will remain same a minus b root 6. When root 2 will be multiplied to 3 root 2, this will be 3 root 4. When root 2 will multiply to this will be 2 root 6. Now root 3 when multiplied to this, we will get 3 root 6. When root 3 will multiply to 2 root 3, this will be 2 root 9 divided by a minus b, a plus b. This become 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square, a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b root 6. Now root 4 is known as 2. 2 into 3 becomes 6. 2 root 6 and 3 root 6 become 5 root 6. Because these are the root like surds. Root 6 common. 3 plus 2 5, 5 root 6. Plus root 9 is known as 3. 3 2 ja 6. This divided by 3 root 2 whole square. 3 whole square is 9. Root 2 whole square is what? 2. So this become 9 into 2 minus 2 root 3 whole square. Whole square of 2 is 4. Whole square of root 3 is what? 3. So 6 plus 5. I can say RHS is same, a minus b root 6. This becomes 6 plus 6 become 12. 12 plus 5 root 6 divided by 18 minus 12. This is 9 2 ja 18. This is 4 3 ja 12. 18 minus 12 becomes 6 is equals to a minus b root 6. When 6 will divide both these terms, I will get 12 upon 6 is what? 2 plus 5 root 6 upon 6 is what? 5 by 6 root 6 is equals to a minus b root 6. Now this become, here I am writing, that is left hand side converts to 2 plus 5 by 6 root 6 is equals to a minus what? B root 6. So if I ask you to compare LHS and RHS, I will tell you in the left hand side pure rational number is 2 and in the right hand side pure rational number is a. So I can compare, I can tell you a is equal to 2. Root 6 is irrational, its coefficient is minus b. Left hand side root 6 is irrational, its coefficient is 5 by 6. So answer of b comes as minus 5 by 6. B is minus 5 by 6, a is 2 is the answer. The answer is a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 5 by 6. So this is the application part. Same type of more problems I am discussing you. Now one more interesting example on the topic rationalization, that is if x is equals to 4 plus root 15, find the value of first x plus 1 upon x, second x minus 1 upon x, third x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Here problems can be asked to you like x square plus 1 upon x square, x cube plus 1 upon x cube, x4 plus 1 upon x4. As per requirement, level of difficulty can be increased in such questions. So how to solve? First of all, we have the value of x is 4 plus root of 15. The answer of x is 4 plus root of 15. If I ask you what is the answer of 1 upon x, you will say this is 1 upon 4 plus root 15. If I ask you to rationalize 4 minus root 15 upon 4 minus root 15 by conjugate, so answer of 1 upon x comes as 1 multiplied by 4 is 4, 1 multiplied by minus root 15 is minus root 15, upon a plus b, a minus b, this become 4 square minus root 15 square. Hence 1 upon x can be written as 4 minus root 15 upon 16 minus 15. So I can say it is 4 minus root 15 upon 16 minus 15 is 1. So we have answer of x 4 plus root 15. Answer of 1 upon x 4 minus root 15. If I want to calculate first part is x plus 1 upon x. This become 4 plus root 15 plus 4 minus root 15. This become what? Root 15 get cancelled. 4 plus 4, 8. Second part, x minus 1 upon x. X is 4 plus root 15 minus 1 upon x. That is minus of 4 minus root 15. When it will be opened, this will be minus 4 plus root 15. Minus 4 plus 4 cancelled. Root 15 plus root 15 will give us 2 root 15. Now for the third part, I will have to take x minus 1 upon x as 2 root 15 as proved here. We have to prove the third part, I have to take the help of second part. We have x minus 1 upon x is equals to 2 root 15. This is what? 2 root 15. X minus 1 upon x is 2 root 15. If I ask you to cubing both sides, I am writing here on cubing both sides. If I cube both sides, I will get x minus 1 upon x whole cube is equals to 2 root 15's whole cube. So x minus 1 upon x whole cube, what will give this? I am writing this side here, x minus 1 upon x whole cube. It is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into what? A minus b. I am using a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b is equals to whole cube of the right hand side, that is 2 root 15 into 2 root 15 into 2 root 15. Here x and x get cancelled. X cube minus 1 upon x cube minus 3 into x minus 1 upon x. What is x minus 1 upon x? Answer of x minus 1 upon x is 2 root 15. 3 into 2 root 15 is equals to root 15 into root 15 is what? This become 15. 2 to the 4 to the 8. This become 8 into 15 into root 15. The two square roots of root 15 become 15. 2 to the 4 to the 8 and this root 15 left here. So x cube minus 1 upon x cube is equals to, this is 15 8 ja 120 root 15. This minus 6 root 15 when transferred become 6 root 15. Hence answer of x cube minus 1 upon x cube become 126 root 15. This is the net value. So these type of problems you can discuss, you can solve. Now I will discuss with you one problem where you will find the level of difficulty is much more than these questions. Now one more question where some application part, skill build will be applied here. That is, if x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3, find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. I have x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3. If I rationalize it, I will get 2 plus root 3, 2 plus root 3, conjugate of denominator, multiplied both the places. So answer of x become 2 plus root 3 upon a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. This become x is equals to 2 plus root 3 upon a square, that is 2 square. 2 square is 4, root 3 square is 3. So x is equals to 2 plus root 3 upon 1, or I can say x is equals to 2 plus root 3. So answer of this was 1 upon 2 minus root 3 after rationalization has come as 2 plus root 3. Here 2 is a rational, root 3 is irrational. So if I ask you to shift here, I will get x minus 2 is equals to root 3. Now on squaring both sides, this will be x minus 2 whole square is equals to root 3 whole square. A minus b whole square become a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is 4x is equal to root 3 whole square is 3. If I shift this 3 here, then in this condition x square minus 4x plus 1 become is equals to 0. So under the condition when x is equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3, after rationalizing the denominator, I have reached to the conclusion that x equals to 2 plus root 3. 2 when shifted to the x side, I have x minus 2 is equal to root 3. On squaring both sides, x minus 2 whole square is root 3 whole square, gives me final answer as x square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Now what I want to find the value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5 under this condition. Under this condition, what I have observed, that answer of x square minus 4x plus 1 is what? 0. So x square minus 4x plus 1, when I will divide this by what? This divides what? X cube minus what? 2x square, then what? Minus of 7x, then what? Plus 5. If I divide this value, whose value I want to find, by x square minus 4x plus 1, what I will get? First is x. Then x will multiply to this divisor. This will be x cube minus 4x square plus x. Minus plus minus, on subtraction sign gets changed. X cube, then plus 4x square minus 2x square gives me 2x square positive. Minus 7 minus 1 become minus 8x plus 5. Now I am taking here plus 2. So on multiplying plus 2, this will be 2x square. 2 4 ja minus 8x and 2 1 ja what? 2. On subtracting, changing the sign, this and this get cancelled. 5 minus 2 become 3. Now I am applying the division algorithm. What is division algorithm? Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. What is dividend? X cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to divisor. What is divisor? X square minus 4x plus 1 into quotient x plus 2 plus remainder is what? 3. Clearly the value of divisor x square minus 4x plus 1 is what? 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 is 0. So I am putting here 0. So value of x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 0 into x plus 2 plus 3. So this gives us 0 plus 3. This tells us 3. Hence this answer is 3 under the given condition of x equals to 1 upon 2 minus root 3.